Hey y'all, welcome back to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer. It is review time, or sprue review time. I'm not actually building this model at this time. I picked this up. I don't know why. It's a full interior of a tiger too. I like them, so I'll go with my stash. But this is the limited edition, platinum edition Revell level 5, 1/35th scale. 928 parts. Includes photo etch parts. It includes metal tubes. I'm assuming that's for the barrel and the antenna, hopefully. So there it is. It's got a full interior. It was damaged in shipping. So look at the sprues there. And then some of what the interior can look like. I'm interested in what it looks like with how they do the interior on theirs compared to TACCOM. I'm a sucker for full interior kits, guys. I really am. I like the time it takes to build them. I like the detail involved. It's just an overall enjoyment for me to have full interior kits. I enjoy the building over the painting. I know that sounds weird to be a scale modeling and do that, but that's how I am. Okay, so we are packed. This looks a lot like the ICM model, to be honest with you, that I unboxed recently. So we have some parts in here, a bag of sprues, an even larger bag of sprues, which appears to be the exterior of the tank, a bag of photo etch in the metal barrel, and tool clamps are on that photo etch. We'll look at that in a second. And my manual box. Box. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright. So now, I'm going to tell you, opening an ICM one and seeing how this is bagged, this is going to be your interior in here, and this is going to be what you would get if you got their Tiger 2 OSB standard kit with no interior. So let's see here. Off to the side. Got one wheel sprue. Alright, got a wheel sprue there. I know a lot of people don't like these, but you know, it is what it is. A lot of my earliest subscribers like it when I go through the sprues. So nice molded track there. And another wheel sprue, another wheel sprue, and another wheel sprue. So 4 wheel sprues, guys. And then we have the upper hull that has already what I don't like on this kit immediately is the fact that all this here is one piece. I mean, the molding looks good for Revell. I mean, it looks solid. It looks good. It's already got the side skirts on it. I don't know how I feel about that. It's got weld detail inside there. Weld detail around where the ball mount would go for the machine gun. I mean, it looks molded nice. I don't see any slippage or sink marks. It looks good, but I don't like when the decks are already on top of the model. I don't care for that at all. I like to be able to have the option to leave it off. If for a full interior, I think that's a nice option. But, you know, in their defense, it does make a very rigid upper hull section. You know, if you are less skilled of a builder, not less skilled of a builder, that sounds mean. You know, if you want it to go together easier and things like that. So here is the lower hull, the rear with the front plate with its armor already on there. It's a 3-piece, it looks like. I have to put some sidewalls on this. Welds are there. Looks good. Back looks good. No texture on these parts at all. No rolled steel texture or anything like that. Here is the turret. And it, again, no rolled texture, no rolled steel texture. Just flat. Just flatty McFlatterson. Yeah, it's just all flat. There's no texture there at all. And then you got your rear mesh covers. So you got some weld seams in there, weld beads there. You know, you got this section here with no flame cuts on it. This kit would need a lot of work. So I'm already liking it. When I say it needs a lot of work, that's more the kind of kit I like. Track pieces, they are all one piece. Oh, they're 2-piece pieces, but they're all molded in one piece here. See what we got here. So you got your 1 piece here, your 1 piece there. There's 1 piece missing, and it's not in the bag. Wow. There's a track missing here, and it's, oh, there it is. So this one's off. We'll take a better look at it. You can see that. It's got a injector pin there and there. They're very faint. I don't think it's gonna matter. A little cleanup there from where it was on the sprue. So they don't look too bad. To be honest with you, when I got an ICM one, which I've already reviewed, and I put on the channel, and I said then that if you've never built a full interior, these kits look like they would be a little less complicated than like a TACOM or a Ryefield models with a number of parts and difficulty and things like that. And I'm thinking the same thing about this one. You know, here's your sidewalls. I mean, they're one giant piece. They got details on them. You know, in a TACOM, this would be 2 pieces. So you got some hatches here again with no texture. Some breech pieces. And then we have 1 large sprue. You got some tow cables on there. Some cupola pieces. Again, mantlet cover, no texture at all in any of these steel parts. The floor decking does have some texture. It's got some diamond plate on there that looks pretty good. Gun barrel. 2-piece gun barrel, but that gets replaced with the other one. So far, this appears to be just like the ICM kit, but this one comes with the extra metal and photo etch parts. And there's a part right there. That looks like the jack block with no wood texture. Okay, so we got engine deck, or radiator covers in bullets and radiator pieces, and ×2 with ammo. Then we have your ammo racks. Again, plastic looks good, hardly any mold lines, hardly any, I don't see any flash, to be honest with you. Even in these intricate areas, there's a little mold line, but I can take that out, no problem. Bulkheads, tanks, turret rig. This is your drive shaft here. I don't know how accurate it is to be straight like that. Your transmission pieces. You want a TACOM kit, transmission's a build in its own. And here's your engine pieces, your exhaust, things like that. And this is your engine core. More pieces of the gun. And then you have a semi one-piece barrel. It still has a seam to remove. So, let's take a look at this photo etch and see what they get for the bonus. Hold on. We got some decals here. Alright, well the instructions aren't bad. I never used Revell before. We got some pink call-outs, some instructions. Wow, a lot of helpful stuff for the newbies. It's nice sprue call-outs, wow. So as you start with the turret, why they do that, I don't know. So, instructions look pretty good. I'll have to start looking into more Revell kits with instructions like this. Better than the crap I've been dealing with in Ryfield. So, here's your different markings. So, it's the book. I'm not going to go into detail on that. Let's check out this photo etch. So, we got a metal, looks like a machine gun barrel, an antenna, and a barrel that you'll glue a muzzle brake on. And then photo etch wise, we have tool clamps, which I'm a fan of, the grills. These might be the stowage boxes for the rear, and some different mounts and clips and stuff. So that's what you get for it being the Platinum Edition. And as you can see, here's the instructions for the photo etch. Here's your barrel going together. Here's some pieces going on there. Oh, you got the actual fan blades and a photo etch. All your clamps being photo etch. So, then you got your tool clamps here, different styles. Oh, one of those metal barrels is for a fire extinguisher. Oh, that's cool. Little brass fire extinguisher. And another one is the cylinder for the jack. Oh, that's weird. So, pay close attention to this. Make sure you're following the instructions and knowing when to put the PE on. Well, my son's going to put together that ICM kit that's just like this. So, alright guys, that's going to do it for this Revell Level 5 Tiger 2 Off-B full interior. It's a lot less pieces than a TACOM, a lot less pieces than a Ryfield, but it does give you a full interior. It does give you the detail that you're going to see. If you're going to see it, it's in there. If you're not going to see it, hey, it's not there. So that's pretty good. If you never built a full interior and you want to fiddle with a full interior and not go extreme, this might be the kit for you. Just like that ICM kit. I think the ICM kit would be a little easier because it doesn't have the photo etch. But, if you want to go, mid-range full interior, you could get, this Revell kit with the photo etch. So, but, that's it for this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all my supporters. Thank you for all you new subscribers. And for Crazy Gamer Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. Have a great day.